The transition from milk to solid foods is one of the most important milestones in a baby's life. Did you know that the habits you introduce during this time can influence their relationship with food for years to come? In this video, we'll explore how a simple tool, the pacifier feeder, can help prevent picky eating and encourage a love for diverse, nutritious foods. Picky eating, a behavior many parents dread. It often starts in toddlerhood and can be characterized by food refusal, limited preferences, and resistance to trying new items. This common challenge is often linked to sensory sensitivities or a lack of early exposure to different flavors and textures. But what if there was a way to prevent this? Introducing your baby to a variety of tastes and textures early on is the key. And a pacifier feeder can make this process fun, safe, and effective. A pacifier feeder is not just a tool for feeding, it's a gateway to exploration. Here are the top benefits. 1. Safe exploration of flavors. The design ensures that only small digestible portions of food pass through, eliminating the risk of choking. 2. Gradual exposure to textures. From smooth purees to slightly chunky foods, it gently introduces your baby to a variety of textures. 3. Encourages independence. Self-feeding promotes confidence and positive associations with food. 4. Soothes teething discomfort. Fill it with chilled fruits or veggies to double as a teething remedy. Using a pacifier feeder effectively is simple but requires consistency. Let's break it down into easy steps. 1. Start early. Begin around 6 months when your baby shows readiness for solids. Look for signs like sitting upright and showing interest in food. 2. Offer a variety of foods. Start with mild options like mashed bananas and avocados. Then progress to stronger flavors like mango or herbs. Rotate foods to build curiosity and acceptance. 3. Incorporate textural changes. Transition from smooth purees to slightly chunkier foods to prepare your baby for traditional solids. 4. Pair familiar and unfamiliar foods. Mix new items with familiar ones to reduce resistance. For example, blend a new fruit with a well-loved one. 5. Use positive reinforcement. Celebrate every attempt, no matter how small. This builds confidence and encourages exploration. 6. Create a routine. Introduce the feeder during regular meal times or snack times to establish familiarity. 7. Engage the senses. Let your baby see, touch, and even smell the food before feeding. This sensory engagement reduces neophobia. Here are some foods you can try. Fruits, bananas, mangoes, strawberries, and blueberries. Vegetables, steamed carrots, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Proteins, cooked lentils and soft scrambled eggs. Spices and herbs, small amounts of cinnamon or basil to introduce subtle flavor. Pro tip: always supervise your baby during feeding to ensure safety. A few more tips to prevent picky eating. 1. Avoid sweetened or processed foods to prevent a preference for sugary flavors. 2. Rotate foods frequently to prevent monotony. 3. Model healthy eating habits. Babies learn by watching you. 4. Stay consistent even if your baby rejects a food initially. Research shows repeated exposure often leads to acceptance. Parents worldwide swear by pacifier feeders. It's been a game changer. My baby loves trying new fruits and veggies with it. I used frozen berries for teething relief and it worked wonders, and research backs this up. Studies show that exposing babies to diverse flavors early on reduces food neophobia and fosters adventurous eating habits. Studies show repeated exposure equals acceptance. With the right approach, a pacifier feeder can transform your baby's feeding journey, laying the foundation for healthy, adventurous eating habits. Start early, stay consistent, and make food fun. Together, we can say goodbye to picky eating. Prevent picky eating with a pacifier feeder. Start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks.